Hello everyone. Hope you all are great and revising everything which we have done till now. Today do you know what we will learn? Today we will learn about letter D. Letter D, and the sound of letter D is D, 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 as we people are beating the drum. D, D. So let's see more words starting with letter D. Now let's see letter D. D. The sound of letter D is D. D. What is this? Dog. D. D. Dog. D. D. Dog. What is next? Let's see. Oh, this is den. Lion lives in this. D. D. Den. D. D. Den. And this is dress. D. D. Dress. D. D. Daisy flower. D. D. Daisy flower. And who is he? He is doctor. D. D. Doctor. And this is duck. D. D. Duck. D. D. Duck. D. D. Dragon. D. D. Dragon. Oh, daffodil flower. D. D. Daffodil. D. D. Dancer. D. D. Dancer. D. D. Dolphin. D. D. Dolphin fish. Yes, next is dice. D. D. Dice. Everybody likes to play snake and ladder game. D. D. Dice. Oh, this is drum. D. D. Drum. D. D. Deer. D. D. Deer. And this is dish. D. D. Dish. D. D. Dish. प्लेट को हम डिश भी कहते हैं. And dot. D. D. Dot. D. D. Dot. Dot. And what is next? Oh, by this way we have learned so many words starting with letter D. Yes, we learned so many words starting with letter D. Now let's see how to write letter D. Take out your English notebook and start writing, as we are having 4 lines in our English notebook. Now let's see how I will write. Like this. D. One more time I will write. D. D. Look carefully, beta. D. This is letter D. D. So, in this way, you have to write letter D in your English notebook and draw and color a picture related to letter D on the other page. And click a picture, send it to me. Wow, now we have learned how to write letter D. Now it's craft time. Now look, I'm having some colorful cutouts here. Now what ma'am is doing? Let's see. Now I will paste this small circle on this big circle. Like this. Yes, like this. Now I will paste this cutout at the back side of this. Now This one I will paste here. Like this. Now, what is this? जब ये बन जाएगा, then you will come to know what is this. I will paste it here. Now, I have two eyes also. Wow. What is this? I will use black marker here. Like this. Can you see? Wow. Now I will color this side also. वो क्या बन गया ये? D duck duck. D duck. क्या बन गया ये? D duck. Yes. Now you have to make a duck like this. What is this? ये duck की beak है. This is duck's beak. Now you have to make the duck like this. Click a picture and send it to me. Today, did you enjoy this craft? It was very nice. Wow, what is this? Dish. Dish. Dish mein there are few numbers in this. Let's revise all these numbers. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Wow, very nice. What we revised? We revised 71 to 80 counting. Let's revise one more time. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. So what we learned? Today we revised counting 71 to 80. Now what you have to do? You have to make a duck. Duck. Click a picture and send it to me. And one more thing, what we have learned? Today we have learned about a new letter D. The sound of letter D is D. Do practice of letter D in your English notebook. Click a picture and send it to me. Don't forget to send it to me. We will meet soon. Bye-bye.